Hi everyone. In today's session, I'm going to explain rules of inference. In this session, I'm going to explain what are the different rules are there, and with the help of these rules, how we are going to identify whether the given premises are a valid premises or not. At the end of this class, you are able to solve the given premises with the help of inference rules. Now there are two rules are there. The first one we can call as a rule P and the second one we can call as a rule T. What is the difference between these two rules? For this one, they have given a set of premises. First, we have to segregate these premises are rule P or rule T. Now I'm going to explain the difference between these two. If the premises, whatever you have defined, you have taken from the given premises means, we can call it is a rule P. And with the help of given premises and with the help of sub-implication rules and equivalence rules, if you define a new premise means, that premise comes under rule T. First, we have to segregate the premises based on the rule P and rule T at last, and then we are going to check whether the given premise is a valid premise or not with the help of these rules. Let's see some examples. These are the different rules, predefined rules. I have taken some of the rules. These are the predefined rules. For example, I'm trying to explain here is the third one. Here I can call a P is a premise, Q is a premise. From the given set of premises, if P premise is available and Q premise is available means, with the help of these two premises, these two given premises, I can call this is a rule P and this is also rule P. With the help of these two premises, I can define a new premise that is called P and Q. Now, P and Q comes under rule T. I hope the difference between rule P and rule T is clear for all of you. Means for the given premises, we can consider it is a rule P. And from the given premises and with the help of these type of rules, if you define a new premise means we can call it is a rule T. Now we are going to see some examples. Demonstrate that R is a valid inference from the premises. They have given three premises and we have to check R is a valid inference or not. What are those three premises? P implies Q, Q implies R and P. In order to prove this one, we have to represent the premises in this format. This is the solution. Now here is the first one, the curly braces represents premises. First premise, and the second one we also represent the premises, and this is premise. Here this is represents the number of steps: step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4, and step. In step 5 we get the R, and we have proven that R is a valid inference. And here it indicates the number of rules, from which rule with the help of which rule we can identify the which rule. This indicates here. If you see here is, first I have taken P conditional Q. P implies Q. This is from the given premise only. That's why here we can call it is a rule P. Now second step, P. This is also the given premise, and that's why it is also defined as rule P. We have taken these two steps from the given premises. That's why these are comes under rule P only. Now coming to the third step, with the help of step 1 and step 2, we have defined Q premise. That's why this is comes under rule T. According to the rules, P comma P implies Q. P implies Q. P is called antecedent. Q is called consequent. And here is here P both are equal, then the equivalent of P implies Q comma P is equivalent to consequent, that is nothing but Q. This value is defined with the help of these two values. That's why it is called a rule T. Now, our ultimate goal is R. Now, one more premise is there. Q implies R. This is also I have taken from the given premises. That's why this is also called as rule P. Now, from third step and fourth step, we can say that R here is same as first and second. We can define Q same like that. Q implies R comma R. Based on these two, we can define that R is a valid inference. With the help of Q comma Q implies R, we can define that R is a valid inference. This R is defined with the help of Q comma Q implies R. This is a new premise generated by with the help of these two premises. That's why it is called a rule T. And let's see one more example. Show that RRS follow logically from the given premises CRD, and CRD implies negation H implies A and negation B, and A and negation B implies RRS. These are the given premises. These are all are the given premises. Now these are the different steps. In the first one is rule P. That is nothing but this is a given premise. I have taken from the given premise, and this is also given premise. That's why this is a rule P. With the help of these rules, we can define that CRD implies A and negation B. This premise is defined by the given two premises. That's why it is called rule T. Next, the fourth step, this is also a given premise. That's why this is also comes under rule P. With the help of third step and fourth step, this premise is defined. That's why it is comes under rule T. This is from step 3 and 4. Now, one more premise is there, CRD. Now, with the help of fifth and sixth step, we can define that RRS is a valid inference from the given premises. I hope you understood how check the validity of the premises with the help of the given premises. Thank you.